Hi guys, welcome to my channel and I hope you're all doing well. So today we'll be making these delicious achari chaap tikka, and if you guys want to know how I make it, then please keep on watching. So firstly, in a pan we will be roasting some of our spices, that are 1 tablespoon of jeera, 1 tablespoon of saunf, 1 tablespoon of methi dana, 1 tablespoon of mustard seeds and 1 tablespoon of kalonji. And we will roast them for 5 to 10 minutes until they are light brown in color and they are fragrant. So now it's been 5 to 7 minutes and our masalas are perfectly roasted, and now we will let it cool for 5 minutes so that we can grind it later on to make a smooth powder out of it. So now that our spices are all cool, I will transfer it into a mixing jar to grind it so that I can make fine powder out of it, and it would look like this, which we will use in marination later on. Now I have 250 grams of chaps, which I'll be cutting in big pieces so that we can easily marinate them. And it would look like this. After that, it's time to prepare our marinade. In a big bowl, I will take 2 tablespoons of hung curd. You can prepare hung curd by keeping your curd in a strainer overnight. After which I will add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 2 tablespoons of lime juice and 1 tablespoon of spice mix that we have made. Half a tablespoon of salt. I will add half a tablespoon of haldi and half a tablespoon of chili powder and 1 tablespoon of besan. And now I will mix all my ingredients well to make a smooth paste out of it. Remember, the consistency of the marinade should be thick so that our chaps can easily get coated in it. So now our marinade is ready, and I will transfer my chaps into marinade that we have made. I am also adding some chopped capsicum and some chopped onions to it as we are making tikka. And I will mix it nicely so that our chaps, onion and capsicum are well coated with the marinade. And now we will marinate our chaps in the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now it's been 2 hours and my chaps are now perfectly marinated, and I will arrange my chap tikka on the wooden skewers that I have. You can also get them online if you want them. Firstly, I will add my capsicum piece to the skewer, and then comes my chap. After that, I will add my onions, some capsicum, a chap piece, and again some capsicum and onion. So now my chap tikkas are ready and they would look like this. Now I have arranged my tikka on the grill rack, and I will bake it for 15 minutes at 220 degrees Celsius temperature till the tikka is golden and slightly charred. If you don't have oven, you can cook your chap on a non-stick pan. So now it's been 15 minutes and my chaps are perfectly cooked now. See how beautiful and delicious they are looking. You can enjoy these tikka with some mint chutney and some fresh onions. And if you guys like my video, then please like, comment and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.